Welcome back to my channel. I'm Joe with Smokin Joe's Pit Barbecue. On today's video, we're going to be grilling up some garlic Parmesan chicken wings on my Yoder Flattop. Stay tuned. You can see, look at this bark. It's crazy. Oh man, this is perfect. It helps to start with a nice sharp knife, okay? Oh my goodness. Look at that. All right, let's get cooking on these wings. Today we're going to be using this Kosmo's Q wing dust. This is his garlic Parmesan. I've never had it. I've had his other wing dust products and they're absolutely delicious. So I've got about 30 wings here. I'm gonna put them in a gallon size Ziploc baggie. These are pretty good sized chicken wings, I gotta tell you. So I'm gonna put them in this baggie. Now the wing dust instructions say to grill them, to grill your wings, and then to dust the wings after they're cooked, okay? Now, what I found with the other wing dust products, they're really good, but I like to add a little bit of SPG on the wings first, and then add the other wing dust products. So I've got the wings in this gallon-sized Ziploc baggie, and I've got my SPG here. Just gonna add a little bit of the SPG. This is salt, pepper, garlic, and paprika. Add enough of it. Close the bag, leave some air in it, just like that, and give them a good shake. All right, so I've got the wings pretty much coated in my SPG, you can see there. Now, I am gonna add a little bit of the garlic Parmesan wing dust right out of the gate. Oh man, those smell good. That's just SPG. So open up this wing dust product. We'll see what it looks like. It's got some good pepper content in there. I'm gonna add a little bit of it. Initially, ooh, that smells really good. Okay. Then we're gonna add some after they're cooked. So mix it up as well. All right, so I've got the wing dust pretty much on all the chicken wings right now. I'm gonna pop this in the fridge, go outside, and get my Yoder Flattop going. Stay tuned. All right, so I've got a full charcoal basket here, and this is the Fogo Eucalypto. This is absolutely delicious charcoal. What I like to do is get my charcoal going with a gas burner, as you see here. So we're gonna let the coals get really nice and red hot until it's nice and red hot on the top. Once they're ready, we're gonna dump it into my Yoder Flattop. Stay tuned. All right, so my Fogo charcoal is red hot. Just gonna dump the basket out. I do have this really nice leather protective glove. Thank you, Dash from SDS Barbecue, Steel Drum Smokers Barbecue. I'm gonna leave a link in the description box to his channel, check him out. He sent me these gloves because he found out that I was burning myself. We were having a conversation about it one night, so he sent me these nice gloves. So just dump the charcoal right there in the middle. Okay. Now we're gonna let the flame die down. That's probably gonna take maybe 15, 20 minutes. Now it looks like a little bit of charcoal, but that's all we need. I'm only gonna be cooking on the right side of my flat top. So we'll see you guys in about 15 minutes. Stay tuned. All right, so my charcoal is nice and hot. Now I did have the lid closed, so the grate is nice and hot. I got half an onion here. I already brushed my grill off. Just gonna use half an onion to wipe down my grates. And this leaves an amazing flavor on the wings too, or if you're cooking steaks or anything on a charcoal grill, this is something that we do a ton, is to just wipe down the grates with half an onion. And it smells good already. We haven't even cooked anything on this grill. Okay? Just like that. Helps clean the grill too, or the grate. So I've got my wings here. And we're just gonna dump them on that grate. Just like that. And spread them out. My charcoal basket is all the way at the bottom. You can adjust it, but right now I have it all the way at the bottom. Okay, so just spread your wings out evenly. Try not to have them touch. All right, so I've got my wings nice and spread out. I'm gonna go ahead and shut the lid down Let them cook for about 15 minutes. And I'll bring you guys back. Stay tuned. All right, so it's been 15 minutes. Let's take a look at our wings. Nice and slow. Got a little bit of color. I'm gonna go ahead and flip them all. Look at that. A little bit of color. So we're gonna give them all a flip. About 20 minutes. We'll be back. Stay tuned. All right, so 20 minutes has passed. Let's take a look at our wings. Oh yeah, they got a really nice color. Oh yeah, getting nice and toasty. Let's check the internal temperature actually. See where we're at. At 151 degrees. Now, I want to take these up to 175. I'm going to go ahead and flip them all over. Again, 175 is my target temperature. I'll bring you guys back when the wings hit 175, right before I pull them off. Stay tuned. All right, so my wings have been on for an hour and 15 minutes. Now, the last 10 minutes, I did raise the grate all the way up to the top, just to crisp up the skin a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull them off, take them inside, and put some more of that Kosmo's Q garlic Parmesan wing dust. Stay tuned. All right, so I've got the wings in this plastic bowl, and I've got that Kosmo's Q wing dust, the garlic Parm. Just gonna sprinkle enough of this all over the wings. Now these wing dusts do lend themselves to be applied pretty heavy, okay? They're not very salty, and that's the reason I put the SPG first. So I'm gonna put the lid on this bowl, shake them up. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Stay tuned. All right, let's give these garlic Parmesan chicken wings a try. Now I did sprinkle the wings with some of this homestyle Parmesan cheese just on the top for extra flavor. I'm gonna just grab one of these bad boys right here. Look at this, there we go. Man, just the right amount of salt. You know, I don't think you guys can see that, but the chicken wings have a smoke ring, and it's a really good smoky flavor. I gotta tell you, I am loving this garlic Parmesan. This is by far, I think, my favorite wing dust that I've tried. Garlic Parmesan wing dust from Kosmo's Q. Absolutely delicious. I recommend that you try it. Thanks for watching. Until next time, Joe with Smokin Joe's Pit Barbecue. See ya.